One of the things that's actually really helpful is slowing down transmission. If we slow down transmission, then we're less likely to see big peaks of cases which may overwhelm health services. For this virus, it's thought that the average infected individual will spread the virus to up to three other people. If we can, if people self-isolate and take themselves out of walking around the community, they can reduce the number of people that they spread the virus to. However, if somebody who doesn't quite realise that they're ill yet goes to a big mass gathering, like the rugby match, they could then, instead of spread the virus to 3 people, they could spread that virus to many, many more people. Each of those people then go back to their communities, and you can see how the number of cases could spread very, very rapidly. And slowing down the transmission is one of the best things that we can do.